Hello and welcome. This is a continuation of our cybersecurity lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install that VM. The VM is already prepared. So if you Google OWASP BWA, which stands for Broken Web Application, if you click on that, then you have SourceForge here. So if you click on that, then you have the download. If it doesn't start automatically, just click on here and then download it. I have it downloaded already. And what we're going to do next is to extract. So I'm using 7-zip. So if you go to extract to the same file name, then it extracts the file, the folder for you. It's now extracted, and if you open, you see the virtual machine content here, and then I have virtual machine, the VMware Workstation running here. So if I say file open, this is now the location of the machine to open. I'll point to the location where the file is saved. So it opens the VMX file. So if I say open, and I'm going to rename it. If I click on it, then right click, rename, and we're going to call it OWASP BWA in short form. Broken Web Application. The machine is ready. It's only using 1 gig memory. It's quite small, but I'm going to change the network card it's connected to. I'm connecting it to one of my custom VMnet 5. And now the machine can be rebooted. So the machine is now ready. If we log in using the user given there, root, and the password is given as well there. And if we now check the IP address, so we have a 10.5.5.10. This is coming from a DHCP server. If we now open a browser and use the IP address and connect to it, so let's run this browser, and it was 10.5.5.10. If we open that, then we've got all these applications, training applications, realistic applications, all vulnerable applications. So you can use all this. In other videos, I'm going to show you how we can pen test these applications. For now, thank you for your time and see you in another video.